Are you struggling to find the right candidate for your FinOps jobs? We have a solution for that. We have created a website where you can post FinOps jobs and the community will be automatically notified. You can have qualified leads in a moment because we leverage the community to get the right people in front of the right job. If you are interested into that, please stick around because we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to upload that job to FinOps Weekly. Okay, so you are in the homepage of FinOps Weekly. I'm going to hit post a job. And you can see that you have like a lot of fields. I'm going to go step by step on how to do so. So let's say that imagine we are going to put a FinOps engineer job with some description and the categories and so on. So let's start. We can do FinOps engineer. So job offering FinOps engineer in Madrid. Say hybrid, 2 times a week on-site, 3 remote, full-time contract, salary 50k to 60k euros annual based on candidate experience. Okay, so we have like a brief thing, and then we go to categories and we set FinOps and engineering. We're going to put FinOps as a job, so let's put FinOps Weekly as the company. This is going to be an intermediate role for full-time, and the modality is going to be hybrid. The salary range is between 50 and 10k. This is going to be the website, so https finopsweekly.com. The contact email is going to be info@finopsweekly.com, and the access of URL is going to be finopsweekly.com/jobs/FinOps engineer. This has to be like something real, but in this case it's simulated, so I'm going to put like just finopsweekly.com. So we can enter a location here. So to make it fairly easy, what you're going to do is set address on map. So we are going to zoom out and let's see if the maps renders, and we are going to move out of the US and we are going to zoom here in Madrid. Yeah, that's fine. And then zoom up over here, and we are going to put it like maybe, let's use the Bernabeu Stadium just for, for the fun. So it's going to work directly with Real Madrid. We have the location and we have the tags. So in this case, FinOps engineering. We are going to do like EAC for infrastructure as code, coding. Let's put it that way. And let's add a logo. So I'm going to find a logo over here. Let's upload our logo. And the line date is going to be, let's say, at the end of the month, and it's not going to expire. We can add some images and the pricing. So you can also preview this and see how it look like. And you will see that if you are, the deadline date, the favorite, access the job. This is the job description, the location, how can request. As it has an email, people can directly request it. If not, then it will access the job link, the category, the location, the tags oriented, and the website to know more. So it's a complete description of the job, so you can go back to the submit listing and submit the listing to create. And you get an alert that says post received, your listing is now live, and it can be here. And you can access the job, and you can see same as the preview. This is some admin hints that you won't see, so you will see it like this. And that's it. And then people can request the job by accessing, or it can apply now. So it will send you an email. It will send the company requesting an email with information from the user. And that's all. I hope that's useful, and if you have any more doubts, we'll create additional videos on the portal. See you in the next one. Bye bye.